Sneakerheads, Sole Premise bags are on sale for Black Friday through Cyber Monday, 50% off of your purchase. Be sure to click my link down below in the description and use my discount code DannyMoore to save yourself 50% off. If you're watching this video after the Black Friday sale is over, you're gonna get still 40% off your order from Sole Premise. Sole Premise bags are high quality, tons of colors, tons of different styles, backpacks, duffel bags, carry-on bags, all TSA approved, so you're good for the airport. Great high quality, and they're very affordable. Best part is they hold your sneakers. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of sneakers inside of my red Sole Premise backpack. Be sure to check out Sole Premise. They are 50% off right now. Be sure to click the link down below, and then afterwards, if you're watching this video later on, you're still gonna get 40% off. So make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. And Sneakerheads, Drip Grip is also on sale for the holidays. 30% off. Use my discount code DANNY30 to save 30% off from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. I have them on my Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows and a bunch of other my favorite sneakers. They help the bottoms stay protected when I wear the sneakers. So I wear them, and when I peel this off, they're gonna look brand new, in great condition, and keep that resale value high. Protect your investment, protect your sneakers with Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. Link down below. Make sure you guys check them out. They're definitely a must-have, Sneakerheads. The Jordan 1 inside of this box is currently undervalued. These sneakers are cheap, relatively cheap to retail price. You can get this sneaker for damn near retail, which is crazy because this color blocking is fire. The sneaker is very underrated, underappreciated, and in my opinion, going to go up in price. These are fire. They're not really a must cop for me personally, but I'm not mad at the shoe at all. I really appreciate the sneaker. One thing I do want to say is that you guys can appreciate a sneaker and never own it. You don't need to own everything that you love and appreciate. You can appreciate something just by looking at it. You really can, as long as you show its respect and show its due diligence and everything, and know about the product. You can still show respect for it without ever owning it. Let's get into this Jordan 1 that is straight fire. I did pick these up from the Nike Sneakers app. I actually hit on both my Nike Sneakers accounts. You guys want me to do a video talking about how to cop on the Nike Sneakers app updated for 2022? Let me know. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. If we can do that, video coming soon. Let's take a look. Woo! The Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. One thing I do want to say is that they remind me a lot of the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1 for multiple reasons, but this color blocking is straight fire. The sneaker is dope. Quality, I must say, is really dope. This sneaker is very underappreciated and undervalued in my opinion. Very nice, as you guys can see. White toe box, white midsection, which is gonna help the sneaker out in the long run. This colorway is not something we see. Nice color blocking. One thing I think that's throwing it off for a lot of people is that swoosh. Man, I kind of wish it was that burgundy Bordeaux color, but nonetheless, this is a clean Air Jordan 1. They do have the Wings logo that has that like gel-like effect, not your traditional Wings logo. They do have that beautiful Nike Air on the tongue with the normal nylon tongue, not the leather tongue that's on the Midnight Navies. What really reminds me of the Midnight Navies, I think, is that swoosh, and I think that's why people are not really appreciating the sneakers so much. They do come with these Bordeaux laces, but personally, I'd switch it out for the white laces. I think that would be a cleaner and better look. These are clean, very dope. Not a must-have for me in my personal collection, but like I said, I think I definitely appreciate these without having to actually own the sneaker. But that being said, I will be letting these go, but they're very clean nonetheless. Let's talk about that resale price, because this is really low. Resale is a few dollars over retail on StockX and Go. That's crazy. Basically retail, tax, shipping, and you got yourself a pair. That is crazy. For this color blocking, for this Jordan 1, I think it's a few things. First of all, I think it's timing. These did not release, in my opinion, at the right time. Jordan 1s right now, just the whole sneaker market is kind of down. I've noticed that. There's better releases. I'm gonna straight up say it. There's better releases than these for the holidays. But the sneaker is clean nonetheless. I think timing, and I think that swoosh is really what's hurting it as well. I definitely see them going up in price. Right now, like I said, a few dollars over retail. I see them going up easily to $240, $250, and I don't think it'll take that long. Gonna be under $200, and you wanna go make, you know, 60, 70 bucks per pair. I don't think it's a bad investment. I think they'll definitely see $240, $250. And eventually, over time, they'll see that $300 price point, $350. They'll definitely go up. I definitely see them being undervalued right now. Like I said, I definitely see them going up. This color, like I said, is not something we get traditionally on Jordan 1s. They're clean. The color blocking is clean. They have everything right for the sneaker to go up in price. And them being, like I said, around retail, not gonna stay like that. Definitely not. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1 Bordeaux. I think they're very clean, and like I said, definitely a wearable sneaker. And I think the swoosh, man, just what kills it for me personally on this one. I definitely like them a lot. I think they're undervalued and underappreciated. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. Jordan Brand with a nice switch up. Like I said, I just think timing was not great on this release right here. I think it comes down to timing and people just sleeping on them, but don't sleep too long because they will see $240 to $250 in my opinion. Now I'm telling you guys that I think they'll go up in price to $240, $250, and then slowly climb to that $300 price point. I do think they'll go up to $240, $250 in mid 2022. I don't think it'll take too long. It's a solid investment. If you have some money in the bank, you know, you have capital, you could hold these. You could buy out and invest into this Jordan 1 at a cheaper price point and still make a really good return on investment. It's not always about spending $400 or $500 to go make $100. Sometimes it's good to go spend less money and still make a really good return on investment percentage wise. Still make 60 bucks on this Jordan 1, which is really solid, guys. This is a clean Jordan 1 that I definitely seen going up in price. Now let's talk about grade school. Grade school definitely will go up as well. Of course, grade school is gonna go up. They're not much over retail right now at all either. You could possibly get them right at retail. So I definitely see them hitting like 180, 200, easy, even 220. So make sure you guys go cop up. They're definitely gonna go up. Clean, and they're very affordable. A cheap Jordan 1 that definitely will go up in price. This is a great investment and just a really clean personal. If you want a Jordan 1 and you don't own any Jordan 1s yet, take a look at these. Quality's nice. I definitely think you'll be happy. All leather upper, and they got that beautiful Nike Air, extra white laces, and this is everything we truly want in a Jordan 1 with this color blocking. What do you guys think about these down below? Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Let me know what you guys think about that resale price. Do you agree with me? Do you think they'll go up in price? Do you think they'll drop in price? Let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to check out Resale Price and Drip Grip. They're having great sales right now for the holidays. Links are down below in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Sneakerheads, you guys definitely need some Drip Grip and Resale Price products for your sneakers. Make sure you guys check them out. Let me know what you guys think about these down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.